Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to study the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is univariate probability distribution. In this topic we are going to learn mean and mode of probability distribution and the solved examples of mean and median of probability distribution. So let us start with the first point, median of probability distribution. Let us see the definition of median of probability distribution. The median of a probability distribution is defined as the value of the random variable x, say m, such that probability x less than equal to m is 1/2. Then we say that the m is the value of median. Let us see the example of median. Solve the example of median of a probability distribution. Consider an example in which a random variable x has the following PMF. Here x takes value 1, 2, 3 and 4 and the corresponding probabilities are 1 has probability 0.2, 2 has 0.3, likewise 0.3 and 4 has probability 0.2. Here we want to know the value of median of a probability distribution. So let us calculate the value of median. Solution: let m is the median of a given probability distribution. Then we know that by the definition of median, m must satisfy the condition probability x less than equal to m should be equal to 1/2. Here we have given a probability distribution and from the given probability distribution we are going to find out the value of m such that probability x less than equal to m must be 1. So we shall start with the first value of a random variable x. We will check one by one value of x till we get probability x less than equal to m is 1/2. So for x equal to 1, for first value of x we calculate probability x less than equal to 1. Here in this example there is no value less than 1, so it is probability x equal to 1 and which is 0.2 from the probability distribution table and it is less than 1/2. So 1 is not the value of median. We shall move to the next value of random variable x, that is x equal to 2. For x equal to 2, probability x less than equal to 2 is equal to probability x equal to 1 or 2, since there are two values which are less than or equal to 2. It is probability x equal to 1 plus probability x equal to 2, which is equal to, by substituting the values of probability from the probability distribution table, we get probability x equal to 1 is 0.2 and x equal to 2 is 0.3, which is equal to 0.5, that is 1 half. Means hence for x equal to 2, probability x less than equal to 2 is equal to 1 half. The condition is satisfied for the median. Therefore, median equal to this value 2. In this way, we obtain the value of median. We shall move to the next point, mode of probability distribution. Let us start with the definition of mode. The mode of a probability distribution is defined as the value of a random variable x, say m0, suppose it is denoted by m0, for which the probability is maximum. Means we have to search a maximum probability, and then the corresponding value of that probability is nothing but the value of mode. We shall see the example, solved example of mode of probability distribution. In order to elaborate the concept in more detail, we will start with the example. A discrete random variable x has following probability distribution. Here we are given the value of x as -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2, and their corresponding probabilities are given 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 upon 5, 2 by 15 and 1 by 15. Then find the value of mode. Here, in order to find the value of mode, we will search a maximum probability from this probability distribution table. To search a maximum probability, we will write the probability distribution as a more simplified form. As -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Here I will calculate the value of 1 upon 5 in decimal. In order to search a maximum probability, I will calculate all the ratios in decimal points. So the first value is 0.2, second is also 0.2, 2 upon 5 is 0.4, 2 by 15 is 0.133 and 1 by 15 is 0.06. By observing this probability distribution table, we will find a maximum probability as 0.4. This is the maximum value of probability among all these probabilities. So the corresponding value of this 0.4 is 0. Hence the mode is 0. Since the maximum probability equal to 0.4, therefore mode equal to 0, since 0 has this maximum probability, hence mode is 0. In this way one can obtain the value of mode. In this lecture we learn the two concepts, median and mode of a probability distribution, in which we learn the definition of median and the definition of mode. Further, in the second point, we calculate examples of median and mode. In this point, we learn how to obtain median from a given probability distribution, and similarly how to obtain the value of mode from a given probability distribution. In the previous lecture we have already taken many more concepts from a univariate probability distribution. If student want to learn all the lectures, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also given in the description box. Similarly, many more topics are covered in Learn Statistics channel. The link of all the playlists are given in the description box. If student like this lecture, then click on the like button, share with your friends to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. If student have any query or problem, then write in the comment box. I will resolve your query as soon as possible. Further, students are requested to subscribe Learn Statistics channel for more upcoming lectures on the different topics of statistics. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.